Hi, I'm Diego Butzke and I'm the product manager for JCB backhoe loaders in North America. And today we're going to talk about the 1CXT, our newest, the smallest tracked backhoe loader. So first, let me address one thing. The 1CXT is not a track loader with a backhoe attachment. It is an integrated backhoe solution. It runs on tracks, the engine sits in the front, and on the back end we have a 2.5-ton equivalent excavator end. On the loader arms of the 1CXT, we fitted a universal skid steer track loader quick hitch, so you can engage any skid steer track loader attachment out there. Also on this machine, you have standard flow at 10 gallons per minute and high flow at 22 gallons per minute. Another fact about the 1CXT loader arms is they're actually backhoe loader arms. So they do have parallel lift and float, just like on the Big Brother. The 1CXT runs on tracks, and it's got great stability and pushing power. Now, if you're working on inclines, this machine will go up and down and sideways on 31% gradients. The stability on this machine for digging is awesome as well. The excavator end on the 1CXT is a side shift type. Once you're in the position you want, you lock it in place and you can start digging right away. The downriggers on this machine are vertical, so they do not use any space on the side. Street pads are standard. All the hoses on the back end are nicely routed, separated from each other so they don't rub and burst. The 1CXT excavator end follows the same concept as the full sizes. The boom and the dipper, they have the same length. So that allows the machine to dig closer, so you have to reposition the machine a lot less. The extending dipper on the 1CXT will allow you to dig down to 10 feet 1 inch and reach over 12 feet. That's great for a machine this size. The back end on the 1CXT is just like the front end. You can actually use several attachments. You can choose from buckets, you can choose from several JCB attachments, or even vendor attachments that are available after sales. We do offer a mechanical quick hitch as an option, and also the machine can run one-way flow and two-way flow. The only thing you need to remember is if you're running two-way flow attachments, you cannot use your extending dipper at the same time. Inside the cab, you will find seat-mounted joystick controls control the front end and the back end. Facing forward, you control the machine just like a skid steer or a track loader. You use your right hand to control your arms and bucket, and your left hand to control the machine directions. The 1CXT has Power Management System, or PMS, that will ensure that you have enough flow running to your attachment while you're driving the machine at low speeds. The 1CXT cab is fairly large for a compact product. I'm a tall guy and I find no problems trying to swivel the seat around and find a comfortable position to work. There is a really great feature on the 1CXT as well. We call it reverse driving. So facing the excavator end, you can actually control the front end. You can actually move the machine around. So if you're working with different attachments, that may become useful. If you're digging a trench, it's even more useful because you can lift the loader bucket and move your machine forward and never swivel the seat around to do that. The 1CXT comes standard with a changeover valve. So you can change from excavator controls, ISO, or backhoe controls, SAE. The 1CXT serviceability is no different than the full-size backhoe loaders. Everything is at ground level and easy to reach. If I quickly open the hood and walk around the machine, I have access to all my daily checks. If I need to have more access to the engine bay, I just need to raise the loader arms, put the safety strut on, and then remove the side panels. If you want more information, please refer to jcb.com or contact your product manager.